Well, unusually for a Monday morning, I'm not rushing off to work, which, yeah, that's sort of good. So what I'm going to be doing today is a bit more stuff. That's better. Just put that where it won't fall off. Bit more stuff. But to start off with, we're going to have a little tidy up. Look at that, wonderful shavings, they'll burn. A little tidy up just to get ready for the main job of the morning, which will be thicknessing my nice new floorboard. But it's always good to just make a bit of space and get things ship shape, if you like. Make it ship shape, I'll sink it. Oh, that's an empty bottle. So there we are. Sadly, that's now firewood. That's an offcut of a piece of wrecked board. One of the joys of mahogany, and I'll show you what I mean in a moment, is it has a grain pattern in it that makes it quite a tough material. It doesn't like splitting. Now, those of you that cut firewood on a regular basis, you know that if you hit a piece of nice pine, Sitka spruce or something like that, with an axe, it just flies apart and it splits beautifully. But if we try the same thing with a piece of mahogany, it's very, very tough. And when it splits, it doesn't split straight. The grain twists and turns in it. So it's very tough wood, used a lot in boat building. It doesn't rot too quickly, it will rot in time, but yeah, it's a tough wood. Unfortunately, because those of us in the developed world don't care about the rest of the world, most of the mahogany forests have been cut already. And it means that you can't really just go out and buy proper mahogany. It's a problem the way we live. We just cut trees down and we waste them. We don't look after things. We don't replace them properly. So there we are. Monday morning, bit of workshop time.